So we're at this house here in Arlington Heights where the roof was denied. Paid for some box vents. There's leakage inside the house. And probably right there. But he also paid for those stacks. But ultimately, can't remove the box vents. Showed him a video explaining why it can't be. You can see all the damage to it from trying to remove the box vents. Nailed all the way around. All the way around. Anyway, so they ended up paying for the shingles surrounding it. Now I'm gonna have to take a shingle out and put a new one in and see if it causes any damage. If it causes any further damage, then ultimately I can't repair this roof. And then two, I don't think they make this shingle anymore. Comment below if you know. Try to give you some nice shots so you can see in different light. So if this shingle is discontinued, then the insurance company owes to have it replaced, even if it's a non-matching state. Why? Because you still expect a reasonable uniform appearance on the roof. And you don't have a policy that allows for a loss of value after a loss. So you don't owe for a loss of value on a property as a claim, but they do owe if a repair creates a loss of value in the total property value. So if it was assessed by an appraiser, would they say it's worth less because of the condition of the roof and the fact that it's not repairable? In this case, we're going to find out shortly. So shingle comes out. Let's see if we have any tears. So far, it looks pretty good. Oh, yeah. So this is stuff we look for. Does it tear the surrounding shingles? Does it cause matting transference? It's where one shingle is adhered to the other. And then let's go ahead and put it back and see whether it can be reinstalled without damaging the surrounding courses. Now, I'm not concerned. Obviously, we would never put back the original shingle for repair, but I'm not concerned about this shingle being installed and this being lifted up. As you see, it's pretty pliable. We got like a 60-degree day today, which is perfect for this. And when you lift this up, it has a lot of give. Here's where I expect the problem is. There's no give on this upper course. So let's see how that works out. I guess I was wrong because it turns out I didn't even finish putting in the, and as I'm putting it in, it's already damaged the first course. So that's not good. Let's see if we can get the next course in here. See how no pliability? I have to lift this up to put a nail in. And there we go, it's already flush. To get the nail in flush. And look, I'm already tearing it. So I can't even get this up to put the next nail in. Not good. This is why when it's an old roof, it's hard to repair. Or you'd have to do it incorrectly and then risk it leaking in the future. So let's see how much I can get away with putting on this shingle. All right, let's go next at tear. Let's go ahead. Here's where the old nail was. Let's put it in maybe right here. So see what I'm saying? You can't lift the shingle up and keep this flush while using the hammer. See what I'm saying? To make this flush, I gotta lift this course up above it. And then keep it straight. And there we go, created more damage. So, can't repair this roof. Not good, not good. For those of you who are commenting about my jacket, I am a wimp when it comes to cold weather. So even though it's 60, I'm an 80 guy. 80s, maybe 75 and above is ideal for me. So what we're gonna end up doing is we're gonna end up taking out a shingle, actually 2 shingles. So what I learned is take out 2 because 1 is good for you, so you could send it to a lab to get an honest report. I like NTS. It is. There's another one called ITEL you could send it to, but I like NTS because it's more thorough. It gives more explanations on what manufacturers require, whether they allow it, whether they don't allow for it to be manipulated or put in with other shingles that are older. And it tells you if it's actually discontinued. So let's go ahead and take 2 out, and then we're going to put some felt paper there, ice and water shield, and then within a week we should have our results. Now I know what some of you guys are thinking. It's like, Robert, these shingles are old. So yeah, that's the point. All right, got my handy dandy chalk. We're gonna mark this thing up. There's damage. It's like here, here, here. See all that? Anywhere else? Got this one. See how it's like bent right there down the middle. Make sure we didn't miss anything. And we are good. So I'm gonna take a picture of this. Got the overview. Now we got the shingle out. And we're gonna go ahead and put the felt in. It's not meant as a permanent solution. So for those of you who are gonna comment like, really? That's what we're gonna leave there? Really, this will not leak. I'm expecting this to get paid for. Here's my handy dandy DeWalt that I really love. It's got battery that goes in here. Oh, I forgot the battery. I have to go grab that still. And then the coils go in here. We're running out, so I'm gonna have to put these in there. All right, so now we got the coil in there. Clicks in place. Clicks in place. We got it ready to go. It's a little heavy. Now the thing about this DeWalt is it doesn't shoot out cap nails. I think DeWalt should come up with a solution where it shoots cap nails on a battery powered gun, because I prefer cap nails. But this is a temporary solution. If it was meant to be here for a lot longer period of time, I would definitely put caps on here, but it's not intended to be here for a long time. Get started. Now you can see I got it installed right there. Shingles over here. I take two. One is for me, for my lab, and the other one's in case the insurance company wants to do it. So I don't have to come back here a second time. I just leave right by the front door. So let's get that done. So now I'm going to leave the shingles right here somewhere on the side where it's out of sight. I'm going to put this back here. I'm going to take a picture showing them where I left it so they know it's by the garage door. Put an arrow there. Take this shingle with us. Let's send this out to the lab. The other thing I recommend doing is, if you do this a lot, is take the shingle, take that chalk you use, write the customer's name on there so you don't forget which one's which. So now that envelope will get sent out to NTS, which is Name That Shingle. We'll get a report that says whether it's available or not. And then we're going to send out a picture to the insurance company saying, hey, take a look at the shingle. It is not repairable. So the shingles that you had just paid for cannot be repaired. So there's two angles that we're going to pursue this on. If you guys have any questions, feel free to put some in the comments below. And then if you could, I don't ask for it, it's probably the first time I'm asking for it, please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thanks.